At the outset, I would like to congratulate the state of Manipur for, in fact, after 2 years conducting successfully the Shirui Lily Festival. But as today, 20th of May, we saw in the beginning that since 17th to 20th, about 3 to 4 Manipur state transport buses carrying about 2,000 people have travelled to Ukhrul, where the Shirui Lily Festival is being conducted. Today, an unfortunate incident has happened, I believe because of avoidable misunderstanding. And I firmly like to reiterate that as far as the integrity of the state of Manipur is concerned, the Union Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah, in one of his first press conferences in Manipur, has maintained that integrity of Manipur is something which is non-negotiable, is something which we always stand for. So I believe after 2 years, the kind of normalcy, the kind of peace, and finally some sort of festivity that has returned back to Manipur is something to be celebrated, not to be conspired over. Anyone who feels that this is a conspiracy, I, on behalf of the Bharatiya Janata Party, would like to assure them that this is not a conspiracy and have faith on us. Thank you so much.